Hi there, this is Nigel at Pendle Steam Boilers. Just a quick demonstration of the piece of kit I've got now for drilling holes in burners. They've got a few burners there ready to go. Those of you who know CNC will know that that's Mach 3, and here is my desktop CNC router cum milling machine. So take the burner, it's had its plate silver soldered in. The burner into the machine, tighten the bolt. It only needs to be pinched a little bit. Start the cycle. There's the tool path that the machine's following for the holes. There's the G-code rolling by. Okay, I think that might have come a little bit loose. I should have tightened it with a spanner really. So it's full of swarf, but we'll clean the swarf out and then get it on test. Okay, so here's the burner that's just been on the CNC. As you can see, I've machined the air slots in it, and I've put on a standard burner tube. So, gas jet number 5. Need 2 hands for this. That should roughly be in the right position. Turn the gas on. Give it a quick fire. And that's burning very nicely. Absolutely no yellow flame at all. The little bits you see coming off are just swarf that's inside the burner. I'll turn the lights on. There it is. Turning it down a little bit. And that's what you'll see when it's in the boiler. Turn it off. Put the light back on. And then we've got a piece of copper tube, which we're just going to put onto the burner, like that. Then I'm going to get a little piece of brass plate, or copper plate. I'll light the burner, put gas on, you can hear it. Hopefully it will light okay. Seems lit. And just to demonstrate that these burners will run with no chimney at all, although I don't advise it, I'm going to put this piece of copper plate over the end, thus. And as you'll see, turn it up. That burner is burning quite adequately with a completely enclosed flue. As I say, I don't recommend that you use them without a chimney, but they do work absolutely fine. You just see the flames there. Okay, thanks for watching. Any questions, send me an email.